Here are the tools and materials required to install this product. Now we're going to show you how to do a concealed joiner for our Primelok profiles. The concealed joiner must be staggered. You can't use it one above another up and down the wall. If you have walls greater than 11 metres in length, the concealed joiner can't be used. You must use a traditional face joiner or a large long vertical joiner. Now we'll take you through the steps of how to make the concealed joiner. Step 1. Please ensure we've removed primer from the edge of the weatherboards. This can be done by sandpapering or even cutting with a saw. Step 2. Apply release agent to the back of the concealed joiner to ensure the sealant does not bond to the joiner itself. Step 3. Create a 9.5mm gap between the planks using an offcut of Weathertex and insert your concealed joiner. The concealed joiner must come all the way down in front of the board below. The next step in the process is to apply masking tape. The masking tape needs to go under the boards and on both sides of the joint. This is to ensure when you're filling the gap with sealant that the sealant doesn't spill out onto the face of the boards. The next step in the process is to use a caulking gun and run a bead of sealant the length of the concealed joiner. Make sure the board ends are completely covered and level the sealant with a paint scraper. Match the colour of your sealant closest to your chosen paint colour. And finally, remove your masking tape. Now we've finished our concealed joiner. As you may be able to see, there is a nib at the top of that joint, but I'll invite Matt to come in now and install the next plank, which will cover up that nib. Fits down on the contour of the next board, and we're finished. Thanks, Matt.